Hello, you are accepted into Cash Panda Squad. Watching this, you are officially in Cash Panda Squad. Now, let's stop yapping and get into the video. Today, I show you my class. Okay? Okay. Alright, anyway, get to meet these. God! Stupid thing can't see me. Let's meet these people. This you've probably seen. She carries me around like a go-kart. But she's not a go-kart. I like chewing on her hair. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Bella. Oh, I just told you her name. Her name, Bella. I fixed camera. Lighting is now on me now. Next, I show you dragon. Dragon name Torch. Dragon name Torch. Eat ear. Pick up ear. Next is my friend. He's not my friend, but you know. It's Golden Freddy. He doesn't talk. He does not talk. Sorry. He's sad. Next is this girl. That's do not talk either. I do talk. Oh, I do not know you talking. I just thought I do not know you could talkie. I can talk. You just put that thing. If you put that thing on me, then I can talk. That's how I keep you from not talking in class. Teachers, do this to your classmates so they do not talk in class. Put this on head. Example. Cannot fit around your big head. Alright. So you meted my class, eh? Well, today's video is not about my class. I will be entertaining you.
Right in between your goddamn legs.
I will teach you how to wear sunglasses properly. Not like this. This is.
Really, Gino? I don't even have a goddamn gun yet.
This is not how you wear sunglasses. This is how you wear sunglasses. Where I come from. I will not tell you where I come from because that is private. I like eating worms. And wire. That's what you have loved her today. I'm sorry. I will not teach you how to math. I eat lizards too. See what? I eat lizards too. I yum 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 yum. Very yummy. I could not finish it. I will eat them for breakfast tomorrow. Anyway, instead of wasting your time, pina coladas? If you like pina coladas. Alright, stop singing. No, you're gonna press the. Calm down. Okay? Alright. Oh, I eat cat too. Kitty, be scared and run away. I'm just gonna wear these. I will be back in next video. Yeah, that's not the end of the video. Do you have lines all over me? No. Kitty.
I muted it for real.
Vivi. I come from French. See, Viva. Things like this. If people don't wear sunglasses upside down, you are not appreciated. Gosh Panda says you wear sunglasses like this. No. Oh, look at his striped feet. I am not done. Sesame Street. No. I am on Gosh Panda now. And yeah, it is way better than Sesame Street. 1, 2, 3 equals 4. No, it doesn't. Equals 123. Monkey math A. Yes. You do not need to know why, but it does not matter. Oh, I gotta puke. Hey, you puke out the remote. Let's see what's on. Guide. The Amazing World of Gumball's on. Alright. Keep it on. Yeah, let's get it started. Stop. You want me to feed cats? All I feed on is cats. In the next video, I don't know what we're gonna do. But since he was doing the French voice so much, that is just my accent. Why do you keep on leaving when I talk? Because I don't like showing my face when you talk. It makes me embarrassed. Why? See, you do it again. I kick you. From what? I just kick you in the face with my feet. Gosh Panda is way better than Sesame Street. It's boring. Yeah, you probably already know 1 + 1. We don't need to teach people. No, my friend. No. Alright. Well, that's the end of the video. If you liked it, then like it. Then subscribe if you're new. If you don't, I will come for you. You were right there, and you were right there, and you were right there. If there already is those other people. If you don't subscribe, I will come for you. I will be in our next video. Remember, I like eating berries. And ask me some questions in the comment section down below. and Gia might review them, and I can answer them. Okay? Okay. Bye. See you in the next video. No, don't end